Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make hair serum. First, the things needed are just coconut oil and a empty bottle. Let me show you how to mix it. Take a little coconut oil to the empty bottle. Yeah, this much is enough for this bottle. Now add some distilled water. I have already taken some distilled water. So add the distilled water up to the top of the bottle. You can also add vitamin E Evion capsule to it, so it will be rich in vitamin E. I'm not taking it now. Also, you can add almond oil instead of coconut oil to make it some more smooth and silky. Just shake it well. Let me show you how to use it. Take this or just spray it to your hair, then put it on your hair. Your hair will be smooth and silky. Was